Hey gang, welcome to another Tomboy beauty unboxing video. I'm Amy Harber. This is where you can find me, all on social media. Oh my gosh, so this is a throwback box, but it is a huge box. It is the July 2018 Target beauty box. As you can tell, there is like some full-size products in here. The theme is hello, rejuvenation. Daily grind, running you down. Girl, you're not alone. Sometimes all we need is a little pick-me-up. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that help you feel refreshed and rejuvenated so you can put your best self forward. Let me put my best self forward. Yay. Let's unbox this thing. We have got the Target July beauty box, and I am like in total shock how big this thing was, only for like $7 or $8 or $9. So we have the Clean and Clear jelly sheet mask. I haven't tried a jelly and sheet mask, but it's a cooling hydrogel. And if you want to make it even more cooling, I always say throw it in the fridge for like 15 minutes to a half hour. So this is formulated with seaweed extract, and it maintains your skin's natural balance, promotes hydration, and anti-aging properties. So apparently it only goes on this part of your face. So that's interesting. Oh, it's made to target your eye area where stress and sleepiness can show. Fun times, especially for someone like me who has anxiety and insomnia. Sometimes I don't always get the sleep I need. Then we have Shea Moisture, African Black Soap, and Charcoal Body Scrub. Charcoal, charcoal, charcoal. Everything is charcoal. That is the trend in 2018. Charcoal. So it's an African Black Soap blend with bamboo charcoal to help draw out dirt from your skin, while organic raw shea butter moisturizes and soothes. Then we have, you know me, I love my dry shampoo. We have HASK coconut dry shampoo. Yes, rice starch in here, soaks up oil, sweat, odor. Next day your hair feels bouncy and fresh, and it's free of sulfates and parabens and something else aids that I can't pronounce. And hey, for you gluten-free people, no gluten. Just don't be spraying it in your mouth. And we have, it's a full size, full freaking size, which is incredible. It is NIVEA Foaming Silk Body Wash. It's full size. That's unheard of in beauty boxes to get full sizes, but hey, Target is bringing their A game sometimes. So it's a gentle body mousse. I'm excited to try it when I shower. Then we have Up and Up whitening strips. You know, get that charcoal toothpaste, get that whitening there, but then get this whitening too. So it says whiter teeth in just 3 days, and it will remove years of tough coffee and other stuff. We'll see. I love me some coffee. Then we have Tressemme Protect and Repair 7 Mask. So it repairs 7 types of hair damage. I'm pretty sure you like leave it in your hair for like 10 minutes. Put that shower cap on, let it sit. It's also good, like if you ever tease your hair a lot and you get knots in it, put that conditioner in there and let it soak, and then work out the knots. Little hack there. Then we have Acure, which I'm using their eye cream now. I love it. It lasts forever. This is the Brilliantly Brightening Face Scrub with sea kelp. Try saying that like 4 or 5 times fast. And lemon peel. Okay, this is where it gets a little too extra. French green clay and Madonna lily. Yes, did you know Madonna had a lily named after her? Apparently, But draws out impurities. It boosts and brightens. So that is the Target. That was July. Throw that back. Flash it back. Follow me on social media and stay beautiful.